wasn't sure how we got 16.
So we are going to write the equation of the parabola whose vertex, or not vertex, whose focus
That's my do-rag.
So the focus is at 5, 2, and the directrix is, let's say, x equals -8. So here we go. We know that the equation of a parabola has 1 squared. That's all, 1 squared. And I really need to know what letter goes where, which one's squared. So let's get a feeling for what this looks like. So here's 5, 2. That is your focus, not your vertex. And x equals -8 is clear out here. And that should be enough for you to tell which way it has to open. Sideways.
To the right.
Okay, it's sideways to the right. So it's going to open, oh shoot, oh well, this is going to be a little tricky. It opens to the right, which means y is squared, right? Furthermore, this number right here is going to be positive because right is a positive direction. Now, right in the middle of this and this is my vertex. This one's going to have a little fraction in it. Do not be alarmed. You have a calculator. You can figure this out. I need to find the midpoint of -8 and 5. So the midpoint of -8 and 5, I will add them together and divide by 2. So it's -1.5. So my vertex is at the point -1.5, 2. Again, if you just are struggling with that midpoint, then you're going to just count on your graph paper, and you're going to put that vertex right in the middle, and it's going to be at -1.5. So y minus 2, x plus 1.5. How far is it from here to here? Ooh, I don't think it's 5.5.
6.5.
I think it's 6.5. Isn't it 6.5? That distance is 6.5. Now remember, this number, whatever that number is, if I take 1/4 of it, I should get 6.5, right? So 1/4 of this number is 6.5. So what does that number have to be if 1/4 of it is 6.5?
2 1/4.
26, 25, somewhere around there.
26.
I heard somebody say 26, and that's exactly right. Take 26 and divide it by 4. What do you get? 6.5. So that number is a positive 26.
Okay.
All right? And unfortunately, I think our time is at an end. It is. So, for the test, which is Friday,